Hello everyone, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners. So I finished my December project with the mulch. As you can see, the mulch is all right here and right there. Okay, so that's more than half my yard that we've mulched. And this blueberry trellis thing right here to protect the blueberries, we're going to go ahead and take that down and switch that up some. So that's going to be the probably December, January project. We're going to take all of this apart. And we're going to go ahead and take some of this down right here. And we're going to do something with it. We're going to take it down because we're going to go ahead and plant some trees in this area right here. So it'll still be mulch, but we're going to plant some trees in this area. And the blueberries, I'm going to be situating them around probably the other side of my yard, where I have a lot more room on the other side. I don't have anything too much against those walls. So they'll be side against the house. So I'm going to go ahead and utilize this area right here. And we're going to go ahead and put some more trees down. The trees that we're going to put down are going to be the dormant trees. So we're going to go ahead and get those in the ground. And when spring comes and it warms up, then we're going to go ahead and put a couple of mango trees down. So just coming back at you with this quick little video of how we did the whole back half of the backyard garden right here. And we don't have to deal with a bunch of leaves right here. So chances are I'm probably going to mulch some more areas of the garden. You already know me. I prefer mulch over a lot of things. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put some more mulch down. And here we go with that Pakistani mulberry tree. As you can see, we got her in the ground. And as you come along, we went ahead and closed this side off, some right here. In this area, we have a lot of spaces to put the blueberries. And also, we're going to go ahead, this area right here, straight where the gate is, we're going to go ahead and make a path and bring that path straight on down. So I'll show you the project once we finish that. There's always a project in the Fishing Gardeners garden. And we do everything by ourselves. It's more cost effective. And it's more affordable that way. So just wanted to bring you a little update on the garden. And if I don't get any more videos out, I'd like to wish you happy holidays. And hopefully everybody enjoy. And peace be with you and your family. Have a nice day. Goodbye.